materials, one thing what we gonna create for a big awareness shout out.
What can we do to make this world better? Give waste value, as we will never be able to recycle so much. What can we do to make this world better? Give waste value, as we will never be able to recycle so much.
We just collected the whole bucket of cigarette butts. It's the most littered item in the world and it contains plastic and toxin. And we need a third material. Microplastic.
Once upon a time there was a fridge lying next to the recycling bin. The wind of Peniche Peninsula was blowing it into the ocean. Steve Surfboards and the trash traveler made a decision. We're gonna give value to this fridge. We're gonna build the surfboard out of it. Steve was working in a full-time job, so we had to meet at night for 2 to 3 hours over 2 months to get this blank together. A lot of pieces, but finally we have made it. Everything, the rails, the stringer is made of leftover. We took a wire to cut the rest of the styrofoam, the shape. A lot of hard work, hands-on, was needed to get that done. It's incredible how much time you can invest in just making a blank of a surfboard. So the idea was to include everything in one surfboard, what you can find at the beach, a representative. And we phrased a bed for the cigarette butt into the board. And we fitted everything. We made some funny experiments with butts. Butts, more butts, and more butts, and more butts. And microplastic, bottles, straws, corona masks. We used all what you find. Surely fiberglass. On top we had an old trousers which we laminated into the board was also lying next to the bin. Cigarette butts and bottle caps for sure. And a little bit of more epoxy resin. And here you see our 2 logos. They can't miss anywhere. And we used old fins and also old fin boxes to make it. On today's menu is the fresh fish, it's the fresh fish, it's the fresh fish from the fridge. Fresh fish, it's the fresh fish, it's the fresh fish from the fridge. Huh? Trash goes to the ocean. Oh. First wave. Woohoo! And it works. It's surfing. The trash went into the ocean again, but in a much more beautiful way. Keep in mind, 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. We need to refuse single-use plastic and reduce trash as much as we can.